Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone widgets not working in your iPhone. So for this, the first fix is to check location service. For this, go to settings. After reaching settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on location service and make sure it is turned on. Ensure it is on. Now second to fix is to allow permission. If a message appears when tapping on widget, tap allow. The third fix is to remove and reinstall widgets. For this, scroll down to the bottom of the widget screen, tap on edit, and then for example I want to remove this photos widgets, tap on minus, remove it and tap on remove. Then tap on plus and reinstall the widgets, or you can reinstall another widget. For example, I want to install clock, tap on add and it will get added. So that's it. These are the fixes. The fourth fix is to try a new version. If these all fixes are not working, try a new version and this will work in your iPhone. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you.